You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this company and application, app. It's subsidiary company of Google. In case you didn't know how to pronounce it, if you want to learn more brand names that are confusing, stay tuned. We have more videos for you. Waze is how it is pronounced. It's essentially a play on word. This is just like the plural of the word way. One way, different ways. All right, spelling A-W-A-Y-S. Waze is how you pronounce it. Waze. It makes sense, doesn't it? How to pronounce, English pronunciation, Waze. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.